This is a right upper quadrant ultrasound with questioned stones, and I think this is the clip where there was a possibility where there may be stones. And as you play the clip forward, a couple of things I want you to realize. If you stop it right here, you're wondering, is this maybe stones with shadowing here? One of the reasons why you see this is for two reasons. One, when you go through the medium here at the gallbladder, you have what's called posterior acoustic enhancement, which is why this looks so bright right here when the ultrasound beams travel through here. My guess is that this is bowel gas right here, and that the ultrasound doesn't travel as cleanly through the gas, through air. Sound doesn't like to travel through air. So anything behind it is going to look like shadowing, which is why here you have this interpretation that there's, this is so bright and this is dark, there has to be stones. In this case, I really do think it's the bowel gas that's causing the shadowing. If you're ever uncertain, and if you think maybe there is stones or not, one trick you can do is that you can turn the patient on the left lateral decubitus side. That helps get the bowel gas away, and it also helps you illustrate if the stones move. Another thing too is that when you measure the wall, measure the posterior gallbladder wall. And we try to teach not to do this because, again, with the posterior acoustic enhancement, because the sound wave travels very nicely through the gallbladder medium, this can look falsely thicker than normal. And so we teach to measure the anterior wall instead, since you don't have that artifact from the ultrasound beam. So again, the take-home points from this one, with the posterior acoustic enhancement, and when you mix that with the bowel gas, you can have false interpretation of shadowing. And so be very careful with that and try to move the patient on the left lateral decubitus side if you aren't certain if there are stones or not. And then secondly, try not to measure the posterior wall and measure the anterior wall. So hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.